If you need a reliable dumpster rental in Lincoln, Nebraska, you're in for a treat. At Nebraska Waste Solutions, we are your go-to choice for hassle-free dumpster rentals. We have been serving Lincoln, Nebraska, for years, and we're not just your typical dumpster rental company. We offer a wide range of container sizes, perfect for any project, whether home renovation, a construction job, or a thorough cleanout. And here's what sets us apart: our commitment to responsible waste management. Nebraska Waste Solutions follows eco-friendly disposal practices, aligning with the values of Lincoln, Nebraska. We take pride in providing our community with a sustainable and efficient waste removal solution. When you choose Nebraska Waste Solutions, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're securing a partner dedicated to making your waste management process hassle-free and environmentally conscious. If you're in Lincoln, Nebraska, and need a dependable dumpster rental service, contact Nebraska Waste Solutions at 402-309-5040 or visit their website at www.nebraskawastesolutions.com. With Nebraska Waste Solutions, you'll discover a valuable service that will make your next project a breeze. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.